Are you running into computer errors? Because this is how I fix my computer errors right here.
What are you doing?
I'm running into errors when I'm getting this project to my PC, so this is the way, right?
No, it's not the way.
It's not the way?
No. So you're trying to upload a project from your HMI to your computer?
Exactly.
Okay. Well, what happened? Like, why it's
So-
not working?
Yeah, it just gives me errors that it's not.
So it's giving, okay, so it's giving you an error. So
Uh-huh.
a lot of times when the project upload fails and it gives you an error,
Uh-huh.
because it was disabled. Did you create the project?
No, it was already loaded on there.
Okay. Well, a lot of times when a manufacturer or a big company makes a project, that's their intellectual property. So they'll actually disable the project upload. So the only way to get the project in that case is to reach out to the person or the company that made that project file to get the original copy so that you can edit it.
And is it the same thing as the project key? Because I have that.
Where's the project key?
So like a project key like this is not gonna work.
Okay, that's not the project key.
No?
And no, it's not the same thing as the project key.
All right.
The project key is a special key that you would put into the HMI and into the HMI project. And those keys match, the HMI communicates. If they don't, it won't communicate to the controller. So it's a way to make sure that that project only runs on a specific HMI.
I see.
Yeah,
Got it.
and it's different from the password too.
Mhm.
The project password will actually encrypt the HMI project. So it'll prevent you from opening the HMI project if you don't have the password. And so in that case, you'll have to reach out to the person that also created the project to get the project password.
So this is not gonna get it done.
The hammer is not going to do it. Oh, sorry.
So you're saying I can't have someone crack it open for me like this?
No, well, I mean, you could say,
That puts quite a wrench in my plans.
I bet it does, but I think you should be more level-headed, Aaron.
Nah.
If you have an HMI and you're trying to get the project off, don't use a hammer. If it's a few years old or even really old, like 15 to 20 years old, it's best to reach out to the original company or person that made the project file to get the backup. If they're not available anymore and you're not able to get the project file off of the unit, you may want to consider upgrading the unit, especially if it's really old. There's new features, new security options available in modern units that are fit for modern times. And thankfully, we're only a few days away from Christmas, so you can always put one on your wish list. Thank you for tuning in to the next day of Weintek-Mas, and we'll see you tomorrow.